Alright, so I finished off the 5th tune this morning. I'm still at work. He already sent me the 6th one. This guy works fast. I love that about him. It's supposed to be a day turnaround. Bro, I'm doing like 2 turnarounds in a day. That's hella good. This guy is moving it. He's pushing it fast. So here's the 6th tune calibration. Go ahead and download that. Download. And then we'll save that. Save. Sweet. Downloading. Let's go ahead and open up our Flash Pro. Alright, go ahead and plug it in. Sweet. There it goes. There it is. Awesome. Let's go ahead and delete all of these because I already sent that to him. Starter logs fresh. Perfect. Let's go ahead and open up the new calibration. This is the 6th one. 6th. Open. Go into calibrations. Let's go ahead and upload it. Uploading. Then we'll put it on the car. And we're ready to do some data logging. Sweet. Alright, and there it is, already complete. So now, just gotta throw that tune into the car. Alright, it's 6 p.m. already, just getting off of work. About to load the tune. Number 6, numero 6. And we're off. Almost finished. And there it is. Let's go ahead and start her up. And we'll let her come to temperature and we'll start data logging. Alright, let's go ahead and turn on our data log. Then we'll just do city driving here. Leaving work at a car dealership. ClovisMotorCity.com. That's where you'll find me. Will find us. But all the pictures you see there is pictures I take and upload it to the website. And Car Gurus and Facebook, Craigslist, and so forth. Alright, just doing some city normal driving, and I'll do some wide open pulls from 3rd or 3000 RPM. Be taking gauges at 45,000 RPM now. So we're just doing normal city driving. Do some pulls in between. Then we'll do a city and highway driving. Alright, and this will conclude our city driving. So go ahead and turn this off. Sweet. And we'll go ahead and do the city and highway driving right now. And the 3 pulls. Set myself up, 3rd gear, 3000 RPM. Here we go. Set this off. Sweet. And I'll give them 2 more. Here we go again. Some city driving and some highway driving. Go ahead and turn my data log on. There it is. And just do some city and normal highway driving.
Engine is at operating temperature.
Sweet. Alright, we're about to hop on the freeway. to my parents' house, and that'll finish this vlog for now. Then I'll send everything to the tuner and wait for the reversion. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Alright, plug in the Flash Pro. There it is. Everything was loaded successfully. Let's go ahead and select all these. I'm going to go ahead and save all of these. Alright, this first one's going to be 01, city only. And we're going to create a new folder. This one's going to be, oh, I already did for 5th. So we'll go into 5th. Oh, I'm sorry. We're on the 6th already. So, new folder. And we'll name this one 6. Then we'll put this one city only, save. Then when it's finished doing that one, it's going to upload the next one. Alright, and there is the next one. This one is going to be 02. Oh. Third pull. 1. Enter. This one's 03. Third pull. 2. This one is 04. Third pull. Third. And then this one's going to be city and highway. This one's 05. City and highway. Sweet. Alright, and I'll go ahead and send those to my tuner. I already have the email open. Go ahead and reply. Thanks, bro. I love this process. And attach. We'll attach the files. There's our folder. Highlight all. And alright, there it is. And I'll go ahead and send that to him. Sit back, wake up, or go to sleep, wake up, and upload the next one, because I know that's how this guy works. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.